You know, when I created this YouTube channel back in 2006 to help me stay motivated during my own body transformation, I could have never thought that over a decade later, we would still be running it. I would still be uploading workouts every single week. But the biggest problem with having uploaded workouts for over a decade now is that there are literally hundreds and hundreds of amazing workouts on this channel. And so what I've decided to do is create a brand new product that I want to give to all of you guys 100% free of charge. I call this Sixpack Factory's Big Book of Home Workouts. And what I have done is I've gone and picked my most favorite, our most viral, our most viewed, and our most effective workouts of the last decade. And then I've listed it all in this one manual. You'll see the exercises for each workout, the workout structures, and even a link where you can go and check out the exact video on YouTube if you want to see how to do the exercises. And guys, you can go and download this right now, free of charge at sixpackfactory.com/big book.